Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer money from Chime to another bank. Now you can easily transfer your money from your Chime checking account via the Chime mobile application or website if your external bank account is linked to your Chime account. Chime accounts can be linked with external bank accounts through the services provided by Plaid. You can link your external account to your Chime account if Plaid supports that external bank and if both accounts are in your name. So, to link an external bank account you own to your Chime checking account, you need to first launch your Chime mobile application and you simply need to log in into your account. After that, you need to tap on the Move Money option in the bottom, then you need to tap on Transfers. When you are prompted, you need to enter the login credentials for your another bank. Once you have completed these steps, your external account will be linked to your Chime checking account. Once your external account is linked, you can use the Chime app to make transfers from your Chime account to external account. You can locate your specific limits in the app. Keep in mind that external banks may have their own fees or limits. When you transfer money to your external bank account, it can take up to 1 to 3 business days for the money to appear in your account, depending on your external bank's policies. Chime doesn't impose a limit on ACH transfers that are initiated from an external account, so there is no limit to the number of times per day, nor is there a maximum dollar limit. However, external banks may impose their own limits and fees. Please note that you cannot initiate transfers from your external savings account to your Chime account within the Chime mobile app or website. To do this, you can initiate the transfer from your external bank's app instead. If you have any problem relating to the transfer of your money from Chime to another bank, then you can even contact the Chime customer support team. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.